In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario. Keeping track of the material stock levels is an important function that the Stock Overview Report can help you with. Begin by going to Logistics. Go to Materials Management. Go to Inventory Management. Go to Environment. Go to Stock. The stock, also known as inventory, refers to the quantities of raw materials, operating supplies, semi-finished products, finished products, and trading goods or merchandise in a company's storage facilities. Let's take a look at the stock levels for a specific material. Notice that the plant field is already filled in with Plant 3000, New York. Now click the Execute icon. This is the basic stock overview list. The report shows you the total quantity of product found in inventory, as well as location and consumption availability. Click on the Environment menu item. Now, let's see if any open purchase orders exist for this material. SAP shows 2 open purchase orders for this material and plant. You can see the quantity of 2 and 1 respectively. Notice that the material has been ordered for storage location 0001. Let's take another look at the options under the Environment menu item. Now select the Materials Movements option to see all movement transactions for this material and plant.
This list shows all material movements for the selected material and plant. The green highlight indicates inward movements, such as goods receipts or stock transfers in, while the red highlight indicates outward movements, such as goods issues or stock transfers out.
Now back out of this screen. Back out once more. Well done. You have just learned how to run a stock overview report.